It's gardeningtime.com. During the blizzard of 2016, also called snowzilla, Blizzard Jonas, the Winter Awakens, the blizzard was giving many names, but what happened is we got 30 inches of snow in the mid-Atlantic area of the U.S. And that 30 inches of heavy snow damaged many of our evergreens. This is our tabletop juniper that was about 15 feet tall and just as wide. As you can see, the heavy snow split the juniper right at the root, right at the crown. We will probably not be able to save this juniper. We'll have to cut it up, throw it back into the woods, and the wildlife can use it for housing. It's called recycling in nature. It's gardeningtime.com.